How come you're up so early on a Saturday morning?
Because it's my birthday, so I have a reason to be up.
And there's a sale at Cabela's on bows.
Yeah, that too.
Speaking of bows, I have gone down the rabbit hole, that is for sure. I can't decide if I'm going to do videos on this or not, to be honest with you, but that's just a sneak peek. But today, what we are doing is, these are the two bows that I currently have. This was my first bow that my wife bought me. Got it, absolutely loved archery. Wanted to upgrade the bow, so I ended up with a Hoyt Pro Defiant. This is a Diamond Infinite Edge Pro. This is actually a really good bow for kids, because you can go from 5 pounds to 70 pounds, so it can really grow with them. This one has been set up for both my oldest son and my second oldest son, but it's not set up optimally because of all the distances and poundage and measurements you have to set up for the individual. I've split the difference between my two sons, so it's kind of hard for them to shoot. Today we're going to rectify that. So as you heard, it's my oldest son's birthday. We're going to get him a bow. This naturally will go to my youngest son. I like that wall too. What are you doing, dog? What you doing? You a good dog? Good dog. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Want to go now?
Yep.
Or should we wait 20 minutes?
No, it's gonna.
Nah, you're already moving. You want to go.
Yep.
I can see it. You just want that bow so bad you can taste it.
Yep.
Hey, what happened the other day when your mom said you were almost as tall as me?
He did a leg sweep and I was on the floor.
That's fairly, it's within that,
yeah,
in a paper plate.
That's perfect. That's perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can fine tune it. Probably feels a lot better.
Yeah.
It's because it's set up right.
The other one's an unhappy medium.
Yeah. So it'll be nice for both you and your brother to have your own bows.
Yep.
What do you think?
It's cool.
I want to get your brother's opinion too, because he'll have his own bow.
Yeah.
Draw length. What you doing, Luna? What you doing?
Thanks so much for watching, guys. Kind of a fun little video, just talking about bows, getting a boy his new bow, get my other boy his own bow. Nice to get him set up specifically for my kids. We'll see you.